What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here, and beside me I've got the new CPE Axle Back Exhaust specific for the 2015 Plus WRX and STI. Now we are going to be installing these on our WRX and getting some sound clips for you guys, but real quick, let's go over some specs on these. So first off, they've got their off-road version, which is completely mufflerless and weighs in 7.7 pounds. And then you've got what I would consider to be their street version with the quad mufflers and those beautiful black tips, weighing in at 30.6 pounds. Now, one thing that's gonna really stand out is the coating. They call it their Austenite, and I'm sure I'm mispronouncing that. And of course, it's coated over 304 stainless steel. Now, it's almost like a ceramic coating, but it's just absolutely beautiful to look at. And then of course, the black tips on this one and the polished tips on this one, whether you want something more aggressive, something more subtle. The real question is which one's gonna be right for you? That's why we're gonna install both and get some sound clips. Let's go. All right, we've got the stock exhaust off. Now it's time to throw on this guy. We'll start with the twin muffler version, which should be a little bit quieter, and then we'll go with their off-road version, which of course has no mufflers and should give us a pretty aggressive sound. See how they look, see how they sound. Let's go. Go see how it sounds. But we still got to try this one out. Of course, their off-road version, muffler delete, should be a little bit more aggressive. Let's get it installed. That one was impressively easy to install, so let's go see how it sounds. All right, guys, that's it. We're done. Let me know which one you guys thought sounded best, the off-road mufflerless one or the black tip quad muffler bad boy that we did first. And while you're down there, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you actually get notified of my new videos that are coming out. And if you guys are interested in a axle back exhaust for a 15 plus WRX or STI, click the link down below. It'll take you to these guys and you can pick one out yourself. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.